Look, I'll be the first to admit, I know it's fun to join giveaways or free trials, but you could be giving out way too much information about yourself to websites that might not be very reputable.
Elementary, my dear Emma. And honestly, when is the last time you read a privacy policy or terms of service? Some of those free websites will sell our personal information to data brokers, and this information can then be bought and used by criminals, really anyone who would want to harass or stalk you.
Mm-hmm. All right, Sherlock Neely. But you're right. And most of the time, there's a way for you to opt out and get your information removed. But this is not always the case, or it's just hard to do.
So let's see. What can be done to keep our information private as much as possible? Well, I'm glad you asked. The first thing you can do is block tracking software. Blocking tracking cookies and JavaScript can be done via your web browser. These cookies and JavaScript are used to gather information about you, what you're interested in, what websites you visit, and so much more. I mean, in most cases, the information you use is really to serve you relevant ads, but not always. Using a VPN also helps protect your vital info and other data. The VPN encrypts your internet connection to keep your online activity private on any network, even public networks. Using a public network without a VPN can increase your cybersecurity risk because others on that network may be able to easily hack into your browsing data.
Thank you for your helpful advice, Sherlock Neely. And next up, get a new address and a new phone number. Now, I'm not saying you have to pack a U-Haul and move, but using a P.O. box in the US can help keep your real address off of these search engines and provide you with a level of mystery.
Did someone say mystery?
Anyways, moving on, Sherlock Neely. All mail sent there will be safe and sound in the post office. And rather than using your real phone number, you can always use a Google Voice number and forward it to your real phone. So you will get like all your important messages still and phone calls, but this can help you with filtering spam and any unwanted calls or text messages.
You know my methods, dear Emma. Additionally, you could create a dummy email and address just for those websites you don't trust. This can all help you track who sold your information depending on the name and email that you used.
And think twice about what you post on social media. It's so easy to overshare. It's TMI, too easy, about your lives online and in your posts. But with the more advanced social engineering attacks, you can imagine how valuable your social media profile is for cyber criminals. And you might think that what you're sharing is totally harmless, especially in the moment when you're having a good time, just throw it on the gram, but it could include things like the location of your child's school or the license plate on your car.
Huzzah! Set your profile to private so that only friends can see it. Review your privacy settings regularly to keep the profile information out of the public eye. And remember, nothing is 100% private on the internet. Never post anything you wouldn't send to a stranger yourself. I mean, it's just elementary, my dear.
Totally. And remove yourself from search engines. Googling yourself from time to time will help you keep tabs on what information is readily available to strangers with an internet connection. But getting your information removed from these search engines, I'm just going to tell you now, it's not always easy, unfortunately. So you can usually go to their website and find an opt-out form, but they usually go to great lengths to just bury it within the site.
There are online services that can help you get your information removed. They pretty much fill out the opt-out forms for you, and you just have to wait for a confirmation email and click on the link to be removed from that particular search engine. There are so many brokers and companies that sell your information that we can't even list all of them. So be safe online. Don't give out your personal information to anyone if you can help it. Companies are profiting from your information, and this is also how scammers get information and cause all kinds of problems that I have to solve.
No, he's serious. And this is how people get scammed and lose thousands of dollars thinking that the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, called them, or that they just want to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Be on the lookout, just like Sherlock Neely. For now, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 250 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey. We'll see you next time.